Here's how to implement Salesforce Marketing Cloud for your business in a quick and efficient way. Whether you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts, improve customer engagement, or automate processes, this video will give you the roadmap you need. Stick around until the end to hear about a special, exclusive offer that could save you big time. First thing, you need to start by understanding Salesforce Marketing Cloud's core features. It's a powerful platform that focuses on automating email campaigns, customer journeys, and social media management, while helping you understand your customer data better. It integrates seamlessly with Salesforce CRM, allowing you to create highly personalized experiences. Next thing, get familiar with how to set up your account and integrate your existing data. You can import customer data, segment it based on different criteria, and map out your email or SMS campaigns to target specific groups. Setting up your audience is crucial here because the more segmented your lists are, the more relevant your marketing messages will be. The third thing to do is implement automation tools. Salesforce Marketing Cloud allows you to create automation workflows that send messages based on specific customer actions, like signing up for your newsletter or making a purchase. This helps you stay connected with your audience without constantly manually sending out emails. Next, let's talk about testing. Before you launch any campaign, test your emails, journeys, and triggers to make sure everything works as intended. A/B testing is a great way to optimize your campaigns, whether it's testing different email subject lines, content, or call to action buttons. This will ensure that you're getting the most out of your marketing efforts. Then, the fifth thing is to analyze the data. After you've run a few campaigns, Salesforce Marketing Cloud provides deep analytics to help you understand what's working and what isn't. Use these insights to adjust your future campaigns and improve customer engagement. And the final thing to mention is staying updated. Salesforce constantly releases new features, integrations, and best practices. Keep an eye on these updates to ensure you're using the platform to its full potential. To make things even better, you can use Salesforce Marketing Cloud completely free with our exclusive bonuses from the link below. This offer gives you extended access to the platform, allowing you to dive deep into all the tools without commitment. So, if you want to get started with Salesforce Marketing Cloud and take your business to the next level, check out the first link in the description for your exclusive free trial.